Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in my channel we will be learning Le Transport, the transports. So the first one is car. We call it un automobile. Automobile. Next one is motorbike. We call it un moto. Un moto. So the next one is truck. We call this un camion. Un camion. Bus. Un autobus. Okay? Un autobus. Autobus. So the next one is van. We call this un camionnette. Un camionnette. Caravan. You call this un caravan. Un caravan. So the next one is bicycle. You call this une bicyclette. Une bicyclette. Boat. You call this un bateau. Boat is called as un bateau. Okay? Bateau. So the next one is train. You call this un train. Okay? Un train. So the last one for today's video is aeroplane. Un avion. Okay, it's really easy. Un avion. Thank you for watching. So we completed, and if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you.